In this video, you will learn how to create assignment for the student using Google Classroom. Click on Create, click Assignment, write title of your assignment, write instruction for the assignment if required, left click on Add. Now you can add your assignment using four ways: Google Drive, link, file and YouTube. Now we are going to use file. Click on File. Here you can upload the file in which you have saved the assignment using methods which are previously used. Select File and click on Open. Suppose you want to upload a file from My Drive, then click on My Drive. In Google Drive, in the sent option, you can see that previously created quiz is saved here in this Google Drive. So you can also select a file from the Google Drive to upload as a assignment. Now select the file. After selecting file, click on Insert. Here you can also select the setting for the students, that student can view this file, student can read this file. You can make a copy for each student of this file. So choose option as per your convenience. Set marks for this assignment. Now I want to give some instruction to the student related to this assignment. So click on instruction. Set due date and time for the students. Select your previously created topic under which you want to upload this assignment. Left click on Assign so that assignment will be given to the student. In the classwork section, you can see that this assignment is uploaded for the student. Now click on Assignment. Student can see the instruction related to the assignment. Here I have not selected a due date, so no due date for this assignment submission. Now left click on this dotted sign for more setting to the assignment. From here you can edit, delete, copy link of the assignment. click on edit for any correction. So make correction in the assignment if required. Click on save. Finally, this assignment is uploaded and corrected for the students. This is uploaded under the topic digital electronics. Here you can also check that how many students have attended this assignment, and you can provide marks to the students also. Thank you.